Hi, I'm Ken Schleimer, and this is my wife Janet, and we attended the I Am Freedom workshop about 2 weeks ago and received Matt's invitation to attend the Home Business Summit and took him up on it.
The quality of the speakers that were assembled here was outstanding. Each and every one of them come from a background of success. Each and every one of them was a great speaker. They presented content that we could take home and use immediately. We're leaving here feeling very, very empowered with what was communicated.
Hi, this is Charmaine, and I attended the I Am Freedom workshop in Scottsdale, Arizona. And from there, I decided to go to the Home Business Workshop. The speakers were great, much more professional than I had expected. Top class motivational speakers, people giving you the inside tips on how to get your business up and going at a quick, accelerated pace so you can be out there making money right away.
Yes, hi, my name is Brett Maverick. Just got done attending the Home Business Summit here in Phoenix, Arizona. Just absolutely pumped and on fire. I've learned so much more to help myself and my marketing with my business. This is such an amazing opportunity, and if you have that chance of attending, I truly say get to the nearest city where they're holding the next one and definitely do it.
Hi, my name is Mary. I went to the I Am Summit a couple weeks ago. I heard it on the radio, so I got in for free and decided to come to the Home Business Summit, and it's been life-changing. I love Matt's system. He's very transparent of everything that goes on. The staff that comes and helps you, teaches you everything about this business, and it's just great.
After attending the Home Business Summit presented by Matt Lloyd, the speakers and the content that he presented to us was unbelievable. With the knowledge that they freely shared, even though they didn't have any remuneration for it, they shared freely the things that they're doing right now. They're real people, even though these people are making 6-7 figure incomes. After the lectures, we had time to meet and talk, and it was a free dialogue to ask and get answers to questions and hesitations that we might have. So if you ask me the value of that content, for me it was priceless.
It was just outstanding. The value was incredible.
Yeah, from this Home Business Summit, we received enough information that we would be able to go home and begin implementing our business strategy immediately. Excellent with setting goals, identifying strategies, and next steps. It was excellent.
Biggest takeaway is, I can do this. If you're at the I Am workshop and you're thinking about going to the home business seminars, I would seriously think about going.
The content was wonderful. For somebody that doesn't know anything about I Am intermarketing businesses, I think I can go out and start doing this tomorrow. If you want to do this business from the I Am, I would definitely come to the Home Business Summit because it'll change your life.
If you want to know anything and everything there is to know about internet home marketing, definitely don't miss on attending.
The advice I would give to someone who gets the I Am Freedom workshop, either by email or by letter, is to just come to the event. Come to the Home Business Summit and find out for yourself what it's all about, and hear from some people who have something to tell you about how to really run an online business and make it successful.
If you're really wanting to start a business, a true business online that will sustain you now and into the future, and even your family if you desire to do it that big, how much is that worth? And if I tell you, having gone through that for this small ticket price and the 21-step program that they're going to present in more detail, you answer that for me. For me, it was invaluable and very much worth the price that they're asking for.
Just get there and go with a positive attitude. You're going to meet lots of great people, and there's money waiting to be made.